everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing absolutely great. I'm also very good, guys. So you know what, today in this video I'm gonna talk about my daily routine which I do every day. Along with that, how I practice my English while doing my household chores, while taking care of my baby. Okay, but first thing I want to talk with you, like being a housewife, being a mother of kids, it's a very rare to get some free time for ourselves. But you know, if you have a dream to become fluent speaker like others, so you have to compromise. You have to compromise for your rest. Yes, whatever you are getting some free time, you have to use it productive. Okay, but the before it, you have to stop thinking like, I don't have time, I don't have enough time, so I can't learn this language. No, you can. If I can, then you can too. Okay, so what you have to do, I'm going to explain everything. So without any further ado, let's jump into the main video. So first thing I want to tell you, I'm an early bird. Like every day I like to wake up early in the morning, 5:30 o'clock. Yeah, 5:30 o'clock in the morning. And the first thing I do is I drink a glass of warm water, because after having it I feel more fresh and energetic. After that I freshen up, I brush my teeth, and then I clean my house. Like I clean my house, like mopping, sweeping, organize all the things around in my house. After that I take bath, and then I get ready for the day. Afterwards I go to the kitchen and I make breakfast. But before making breakfast, I make tea for myself, and then after I make breakfast for my family, for my daughter and for my husband. And then, you know, instead of staying silent, I just try to instead of staying silent, I try to think in English. Let's suppose if I am making tea, then that time I think the tea is boiling, I'm making breakfast, I'm going to place this pan on the gas stove. So like this, I'm just try to think in English. And then after having my breakfast, I just clean my kitchen, I wash the dishes, I organize my all baby's toy all baby's toys. And then later I practice English for some time. Like at that moment I just pick a short article and I read it at least 5 to 6 times, and then I try to rewrite in my own words and then check it on ChatGPT for my correction. And whatever I do correction, and then I try to make sure I will not do it again in my next story. Okay, so this is how I practice my English. And then in the afternoon I take some rest. Then again after some time I do my household chores. Like I make lunch for my family, and then after having it in the evening, we spend some quality time with each other. And even at that moment also, I try to think in English, because I know every moment is very special. Every moment is very special for me, because if I want to become fluent speaker as soon as possible, then we have to create environment around ourselves. Nobody comes to you and say, I'll talk to you in English, you can practice with me. No, you have to do it. You have to take action first towards this language. Okay, so in this way you can do it. And the next thing is that I do before going to the bed, whatever I have learned during the day, I just revise myself, and then I ask some question myself, like what did I do today, what made me happy today, what did I eat today, and for tomorrow also, what will I do, where will I go. So in this way, just to ask random question to myself and I just try to answer in English. And that time also I try to think in English, because if you will give answer in English, then automatically your brain started thinking in English, and this is the very effective way to improve our English. Okay, so this is how I practice English during my day, while managing my household chores and while managing my baby. So yeah, this was my daily routine. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you like, then try to follow it in your daily routine in your life. Okay, so just let me in the comment section your daily routine. Okay, so till then, bye. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep creating ideas. Then bye. Till then, next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.